Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting permission. Do not attempt access without it. Once allowed, make sure your phone or laptop supports WPS or QR scanning and that Wi-Fi is turned on. You'll physically approach the router so the signal is strong. Now locate the router's WPS button or the network QR sticker and keep the admin login handy in case you need a PIN method. These actions start the connection process immediately and avoid wasted steps. You have two safe options, WPS and QR codes. For WPS push, press the router's WPS button, then select the network on your device within 2 minutes. The devices negotiate automatically. If the router requires a WPS PIN, go to Advanced Wi-Fi settings on your device, enter the router's PIN, and confirm. This is slightly slower but effective. For QR, simply scan the sticker. Tap the Connect prompt and the credential. You finish by checking that your device obtained an IP and that website's load. Make the network private on laptops and save the profile for future reconnects. If you're using a guest network, ask the owner to change settings if it's insecure. If the connection fails, reboot the router and your device, then retry the chosen method. This simple restart often resolves WPS handshake or QR recognition problems. If it still fails, ask the network owner to assist via admin settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.